Welcome back to English Story Lab, the podcast where you improve your business English by listening to short, real-life stories. Today's story is called The Coffee That Closed the Deal. It's about a young manager who is about to lose her most important client and the small, surprising thing that saves her. Here's how to use this episode. First, just listen and enjoy the story. Don't worry about every word. Then, listen a second time and notice 8 useful business phrases. I'll explain each one clearly. Ready? Let's begin. Maya works at a small marketing company in Chicago. She is 28 years old, smart and hardworking. But this morning, she is nervous, very nervous. Her biggest client, Mr. Ackhaffer, is unhappy. Mr. Ackhaffer runs a chain of coffee shops. His company pays Maya's company a lot of money every month. If he leaves, Maya's team could lose their jobs. 2 weeks ago, Maya's team made a mistake. They sent the wrong report to Mr. Ackhaffer. It was a small mistake, but Mr. Ackhaffer was not happy. He sent a short, cold email. It said, "We need to talk. I am thinking about other options. In business, other options means other companies." Mr. Ackhaffer was thinking about leaving. Maya tried to fix the problem. She sent a long email to apologize, but Mr. Ackhaffer did not reply. She called his office. His assistant said he was busy. Maya needed to buy time, that means, to get more time before a big decision. So she asked for one short meeting, just 15 minutes. Finally, Mr. Ackhaffer said yes. Now it is Monday morning. The meeting is at 10 o'clock. Maya wants to win him over to make him like and trust her company again. But how? A long presentation? More apologies? Maya's boss says, "Maya, just close the deal. Keep the client. Do whatever it takes." But Maya knows that Mr. Ackhaffer has heard 100 presentations. Something is different about him. She just doesn't know what yet. Let's stop for a moment and look at 3 phrases from the story. Number 1, to buy time. This means to get more time before making a decision. Maya asked for a short meeting to buy time. Number 2, to win someone over. This means to make someone trust or support you. Maya wants to win over Mr. Ackhaffer. Number 3, to close the deal. This means to successfully complete a business agreement. Now, let's return to the story. At 10 o'clock, Maya walks into the coffee shop where Mr. Ackhaffer wants to meet. She is early. She sees him at a table, reading emails, looking tired. Maya remembers something. 6 months ago, at their first meeting, Mr. Ackhaffer ordered a coffee. A flat white with oat milk and a little cinnamon on top. A very specific order. Maya wrote it down that day, in her notes, just a small habit of hers. So before she sits down, Maya goes to the counter. She orders his coffee. A flat white, oat milk, cinnamon, and a simple black coffee for herself. She brings the cups to the table. Mr. Ackhaffer looks up. He looks at the coffee, then he looks at Maya. "You remembered," he says quietly. Maya smiles. "Of course," she says, "I try to pay attention." They sit, and then Maya does something her boss did not expect. She does not start a presentation. She does not make excuses. She says, "Mr. Ackhaffer, we made a mistake. It was our fault, not yours. I'm not here to sell you anything today. I just want to understand what you need and be honest with you." For a moment, Mr. Ackhaffer says nothing. Then he leans back. "You know," he says, "everyone sends me presentations. Everyone tells me they're the best, but nobody listens. Nobody follows up like they mean it. To follow up means to check again and stay in contact." Mr. Ackhaffer was tired of companies that did not follow up. Maya leans forward. "Can I ask you something?" she says. "When we send you a report, what do you actually need from it?" Mr. Ackhaffer is quiet for a second. Honestly, he says, I don't need more numbers. I get numbers all day. I need someone to tell me what the numbers mean. What should I do next week? Maya nods slowly. This is important. She writes it down. So you don't want a longer report, she says. You want a clear recommendation. Exactly, says Mr. Ackhaffer. That's what going the extra mile means to me. Not more pages, just one clear idea I can use. Maya smiles. For the first time today, she feels calm. They are starting to be on the same page. So Maya listens. For 15 minutes, she just asks questions and listens. She learns that his real problem is not the report. His real problem is that he feels ignored. He wants a partner who will go the extra mile, who will do more than the minimum. Someone who cares. By the end, they are on the same page, they understand each other and agree. Mr. Ackhaffer finishes his coffee. He stands up and he shakes Maya's hand. Let's keep working together, he says, but let's touch base every week. A short call, just to stay connected. Maya agrees, and just like that, without a single slide, she seals the deal. Now let's look at 5 more phrases. To follow up, to check again and stay in contact. To go the extra mile, to do more than expected. To be on the same page, to agree and understand each other. To touch base, to make short, regular contact. And finally, to seal the deal, to finish an agreement successfully, just like close the deal. Maya sealed the deal not with a presentation, but by listening. So what happened? Maya was about to lose an important client. She did not win him back with a big presentation. She won him back with 2 simple things. She remembered his coffee and she listened. Now, 3 quick questions. Think about your answer. 1. Why was Mr. Ackhaffer unhappy at the start? 2. What did Maya order before the meeting? 3. What did Mr. Ackhaffer really want, a better report or a partner who listens? Pause and think. In business English, and in business itself, listening is often stronger than selling. Thank you for listening to English Story Lab. If this story helped you, you can download today's 8 phrases as a free PDF. The link is in the description. And next time, the email that went to the wrong person, a story about a small mistake and a big lesson. Until then, keep listening, keep learning, and go the extra mile. See you next time.